There's a tiny man inside my head, and he talks to me, yeah, he talks to me. There's a tiny man inside my head, and he says the most dastardly things. There's a tiny man living in my head, and he won't shut up, and he'll never leave. He'll never leave, and he says, shut up, you're not good enough, no one wants to hear you talk. They all know that you're a fraud. Is that all you got? It's not worth faking up their boots. Will be your applause. He'll never leave, he'll never leave. There's a tiny critic inside my mind, and he wears a frown, yeah, he wears a frown. There's a tiny critic inside my mind, and he gives me 2 thumbs down. There's a critic analyzing my mind, and I can't keep him quiet, and he'll never leave. He'll never leave, and he says, don't even try if you're not the best. You know you'll never get better than this. You're not famous, so give it a rest. Complacency's enough, just exist. He'll never leave, he'll never leave, and I'd never let anyone else say that to me. So why do I let me? It's time to think about how I shoot myself in the foot. And it's time to stop thinking I'm never good enough. So there's a tiny loser inside my brain, I'll squish him in his sleep, yeah, in his sleep. There's a tiny loser inside my brain, and silencing him feels so sweet. This loser takes up less space. It's time to enjoy me and ask him to leave. Who knows how great I'll be without the inner monologue about how much I suck. He must keep talking, but his power's gone. How I'll never get anything done, but I'm not listening now. I'm free, yeah, I'm free. He'll never be in charge again, 'cause I'm free. Yeah, I'm free. I asked him to leave.